In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to set up a clean, usable budget you can track throughout the year. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company and make sure you have the right access to create budgets. From any screen, look to the top right and click the settings icon. This opens the main menu where QuickBooks keeps many of its administrative tools. In the menu, select Budgeting. This takes you to the budgeting dashboard. If you've never created a budget before, this page will be empty. Otherwise, you'll see any existing budgets listed. To start a new one, click Create Budget. QuickBooks will ask you what type of budget you want. Choose either profit and loss or balance sheet. A profit and loss budget focuses on your income and expenses over time, which is the most common approach for planning sales, costs, and overhead month by month. A balance sheet budget is about your financial position, assets, liabilities, and equity, and is useful when you need to plan ending balances like cash or debt levels across the year. Pick the option that best fits what you want to plan today, then click Next to continue. Now you'll customize the budget. Give it a clear name so you and your team can recognize it later, for example, by including the fiscal year or a key department. Choose the fiscal year and the interval you want to plan, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, depending on how detailed you need your projections to be. If available in your subscription, you can also segment the budget by class, location, or customer to track goals for different parts of the business. For faster setup, consider pre-filling from last year's actuals and then adjusting up or down to reflect growth, seasonality, or cost changes. Enter your amounts for each account and period. You can type values directly into the cells, and it's perfectly fine to start with broad estimates and refine them later. A helpful approach is to set an annual target, then spread it across months, adjusting certain months higher or lower for seasonality. Be realistic and consistent with your assumptions, and keep notes on any key drivers so you can explain variances later. When everything looks right, click Save. Your budget is now stored and ready to use in reports. You can come back to this screen anytime to update figures as plans change. As you operate through the year, compare your actuals to the budget to see where you're on track and where you might need to adjust spending or push for more sales. That's it. You've created a budget in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching and happy planning.